Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, friends? How are you, my dear students? Today we are going to discuss exercise 2.4. Before starting this session, one thing I want to tell you: if you didn't complete CW book, please complete it. If you have any query, you can contact the admin. So, inshallah, we will try to give proper solutions. Okay. Now we will move on to exercise 2.4. Okay. So here, first question: find 12 division symbol, divide 3 upon 4. So here you can see this is the symbol. First we have to convert this symbol into multiplication. Okay, so my dear students, this is a numerator and this is the denominator, right? Okay, so while you are converting, I am going to convert division symbol into multiplication symbol. So we are going to interchange denominator to numerator and numerator take place in the denominator. Okay, so here 4 upon 3. It means here the denominator, if you are converting division into multiplication symbol, so automatically this number will be interchanged. Denominator take place in the numerator and numerator take place in the denominator. See here, this is the numerator and this is the denominator, right? So these places will be interchanged. It means यहाँ पे क्या होगा कि numerator denominator में चला जाएगा और denominator numerator में चला जाएगा while you are converting multiplication symbol. Understood what I am telling you, beta? Okay. So here you can see 12 multiplied by 4 upon 3. Okay. तो यहाँ पे denominator था तो numerator में आया and this 3 will become in the denominator. यहाँ पे numerator में था. Okay. So here you can see 3, try to reduce. So can I write 3 multiplied by 4 instead of 12? Okay, 4 upon 3. Okay, this 3 will be cut. So answer is 16. Okay. Now, second question, 14 divided by 5 upon 6. Now tell me what we have to do. 14 multiply 6 upon 5. Because we are going to convert division to multiplication. Already you know, while you are converting division to multiplication, so changing places of numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. Okay, try to reduce the number. Okay, it can't be changed. So now 14 6 84. My dear students, if you can't do, please do multiply here so you can understand. 6 4 ja 24, 6 1 ja 6 plus 2. Understood? If you don't know a table, you will do in the same way. Okay? So 16 4 ja 84 upon 5. Okay? So here 84 divided by 5. So 5 1 ja 5. Okay, 5 1 ja 5. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 6 5 ja 30. Okay, 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 0. So what is answer? The answer is 16 integer 4 upon 5. beta, this is your answer. This 16, 4, integer and 5. Understood? Clear? So there is no need to write in the CW book only this thing. Okay? Now we will move on the third question. Okay? So 8 multiplied by, tell me what we have to do. We will convert division to multiplication symbol. Okay, so 3 upon 7. Okay, you know very well. While you are converting division to multiplication symbol, the changing places from numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. Okay, so here try to reduce, but it is not possible. So 8 3 24 upon 7. Okay, so 7 divided by 24, 7 3 21. Okay, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, so what is answer? The answer is 3 integer 3 upon 7. It is your answer. Okay, 3 integer 3 upon 7. So it is your question number 3. Now we will move on 4 question. So here with the question number 4, 4 divided by 8 upon 3. Okay, so what we have to do, we will convert division into multiplication symbol. Okay, so what we have to do, we are changing places denominator and numerator. Okay, so automatically reverse changing places numerator to denominator and numerator to denominator. So 3 upon 8, 4 multiplied by 3 upon 8. Okay, now my dear students, look at this side. Can I write 8 instead of 4 multiplied by 2? Yes or no? Yes. So this 4 and this 4 will be cut. Okay, and remaining number is 3 1 3 upon 2. Okay, look at this side. This is the improper fraction. The 2 3 divided by 2. The 2 1 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So 1 integer 1 upon 2. So it is your answer. Understood? Clear? Okay. Now we will move on to question number 5. And last question you have to do by yourself. Okay. So here what we have to do, in this step, this is a mixed fraction. We will convert into simple fraction. So here 3 divided by the 2 3 6, then plus 1. 3 2 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. The 6 plus 1, the 7 upon 3. Understood? So first we will convert mixed fraction into simple fraction. The 3 2 6 plus 1, 7 upon 3. Okay, now we will convert into multiplication. So while you are converting into multiplication, changing places from numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. The 3 upon 7. Okay, the 3 3 9 upon 7. Okay, so 9 divided by 7. 7 1 7. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. So beta, what is answer? The answer is 1 integer 2 upon 7. It is your answer. Clear? So this is question number 1. I have solved 1 to 5 questions. Okay. And last question you have to do by yourself. Question number 2. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocals as proper fractions, improper fractions and whole numbers. So my dear students, look at this side. New term, reciprocals. Reciprocals, it means it is a special type of fractions. It can be changed, it can be interchanged, numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. So for example, you look at this side, so we are changing places, numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. So this 7 will become here and this 3 will take place in the denominator. Okay, so it is known as reciprocals. Okay, changing places from denominator to numerator and numerator to denominator. It is known as reciprocals. Again I am repeating beta. Reciprocal, it means it is a special type of fraction. In these fractions you are going to interchange denominator to numerator and numerator to denominator. So here we have changed the places. This is the denominator, so we have written in the numerator, and this 3, it is in place the numerator, we have written in the denominator. So it is known as reciprocal. Okay, now tell me, this fraction, this reciprocal of the given question, it is an improper fraction, it is a proper fractions, yeah, whole number. Now check it, 7 and this 3. So this is a smaller number in compared to numerator. So it is improper fraction. क्योंकि इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन किसको बोलेंगे बेटा, कि डिनोमिनेटर के अंदर जो वैल्यू है वो स्मॉल होनी चाहिए इन कंपेयर टू एनुमरेटर. एनुमरेटर में वैल्यू बड़ी होगी, बिगर नंबर होगी, और एनुमरेटर में वैल्यू कम होगी, छोटी होगी, उसको बोलेंगे इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ वी विल मूव ऑन द सेकंड क्वेश्चन. 5 upon 8. So we are going to interchange the places. So 8 upon 5. So this is in the denominator. So we have written in the numerator. And this is in the numerator. We have written in the denominator. So tell me which type of fraction. It is also which fraction? Improper fraction or proper fraction? What is the definition of the improper fraction? In the improper fraction, the value of the denominator is smaller than numerator. So it is also improper fraction. Okay. Now we will move on. Third question, 9 upon 7. Okay. So we are going to convert, we are going to write reciprocal of the given question. The 7 upon 9, tell me, this is a proper fraction or improper fraction? In the denominator, the value is bigger in compared to numerator. So beta, it is proper fraction. Already this concept I taught in the standard 6, in the class 6. Okay, now third one, 5 upon 6 changing places from the denominator to numerator and numerator to denominator. So this is known as reciprocal. Now tell me, 5 upon 6, it is a proper fraction or improper fraction? Yes, this is a proper fraction because of the denominator value is higher in compared to numerator. Okay, this is also proper fraction. Understood? Okay. Now we will move on to question number 5 and question number 6 and 7, so you can understand. Okay, question number 6. 1 upon 8. Sorry beta, this is the 4th question and this is the 5th question. 5th question, 12 upon 7, 6, 1 upon 8. Okay, so here 12 upon 7. So 7 upon 10 changing places, numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. Okay, so 7 upon 12. Well, tell me, which type of fraction? Proper fraction, improper fraction, or whole number? So tell me, this is a higher value in compared to numerator value. So it is also proper fraction. Understood? Now 1 upon 8. So 1 upon 8, we are changing the places, numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. Okay, it is known as reciprocal. So can I write directly this is 8 because there is no value, there is no importance of the denominator, which I have written 1. अगर हम डिनोमिनेटर में 1 लिखते हैं और न्यूमरेटर में जो भी वैल्यू लिखेंगे उसका आंसर सेम ही आएगा. देयर इज नो नीड, देयर इज नो रिक्वायर टू राइट 1 इन द डिनोमिनेटर. ओके, देयर इज नो नीड. ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू राइट डायरेक्टली 8. सो टेल मी, which number, which type of fraction? Proper fraction, improper fraction या whole number? Okay, so this is beta whole number. Okay, 8 is a whole number. And last question you have to do by yourself. So my dear students, today I have taught question number 1 and question number 2. Okay, and today we have started reciprocal. Again I am repeating what is the definition of reciprocal. Reciprocal, it means it is a special type of fraction. Here in this fraction we are going to interchange numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. Okay, changing places numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator, it is known as reciprocal. Today we have discussed, and today I taught new concept reciprocal. And one thing we have learned in this exercise, while you are converting division to multiplication symbol, so in this type of fraction you are going to convert, while you are converting division to multiplication symbol, so आपको कन्वर्ट क्या करना पड़ेगा फ्रैक्शन में. अगर डिनोमिनेटर, आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा कि अगर फ्रैक्शन के अंदर इन दिस फ्रैक्शन व्हाट वी हैव लर्न, in the reciprocal, changing traces numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. तो डिनोमिनेटर को एनोमिनेटर में लिखेंगे और एनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर में लिखेंगे. दिस थिंग वी हैव लर्न टुडे. ओके. And second thing we have learned, while you are converting division to multiplication symbol, so in this type of example, what we have to do, we have to convert denominator to numerator and numerator to denominator. This thing you should keep in your mind. So inshallah we will meet in next video very soon. Allah Hafiz.